Hi guys. It's Bunny here. On October 2nd, 2020, Blackpink released their very first full album along with the music video for their track Lovesick Girls. I tuned in during the premiere, and while I wanted to enjoy the song in its entirety, I couldn't shrug off the feeling that I've already heard it somewhere before. One day later, I finally figured out which songs it sounded like. Before I play the comparisons, I would like to let you guys know that this is not meant to be a hate video. It's just my opinion, and you can obviously agree or disagree. I'll be sharing more of my thoughts on this matter later in the video. Some of the comparisons that I included in this video were actually pointed out by fans. Another song that they believe sounded like Lovesick Girls is Avicii's Wake Me Up. However, I could not really hear the similarity myself, so I chose not to include it in this video. For most of the songs that I've compared with Lovesick Girls that are not by Blackpink are only slightly similar in beat or melody, except for Girls Just Want to Have Fun and Shout Out to My Ex. In my opinion, they sound very similar to Lovesick Girls. Obviously, when an artist's song is compared to another, it is not a good look on them. One of the most notable instances of this happening was when Portugal the Man accused the Jonas Brothers of copying their song Feel It Still in the latter's song Sucker. There was even somebody on YouTube who made a remix pointing out which parts of Sucker were allegedly copied from other songs. It is pretty entertaining. However, I do believe that there is a limit to human creativity. Sometimes we hear or see things peripherally that do not process in our conscious brain, and without knowing, we take inspiration from them when we create something because it's in our unconscious brain. Despite these, I am very happy for the girls for finally releasing their first full album. I know that they worked really hard for this. In fact, in their interview with LUSA, Jennie mentioned that these days they had no boundaries when it came to work because of how busy they were. Even on their days off, they are still at the studio recording. So a very big congratulations to the girls and their album. That's it for this video, the first one on my channel. By next week, I will be uploading another Blackpink analysis video, so if you're interested, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching.